Good morning students. Hope you all are fit and fine at your place. In your previous class, you have studied multiplication of two-digit number and one-digit number. Now we are going to study the three-digit multiplication. Okay? As you know that three-digit is made up of ones, tens and hundred. Okay? Three digit is made up of ones, tens and hundred. So firstly we have to multiply the number with ones place, then we move to the tens place and then we move to the hundred place. Okay? So let's do first one. 3 ones are 3. If you multiply ones digit, you get the answer in ones place and you have to write the answer in ones place. 3 twos are 6, so you have to write the number in tens place. 3 threes are 9, you have to write the number in hundred place. Like this only you have to do the remaining one. Okay, we move to the next question. 322 into 2. Here also this is a ones digit, tens digit and hundred digit. So firstly we multiply with ones, then we move to the tens and then we move to the hundred. So 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 322 into 2, the answer is 644. Okay? Another one. Again this is ones, tens and hundred. Firstly we have to multiply with one digit, then tens digit, then hundred digit. So 3 threes are 9, we write in ones place. 3 ones are 3, we write in tens place. 3 twos are 6, we write in hundred place. So 213 into 3, the answer is 639. Next one. 212 into 0. As you know that if you multiply any number with 0, you get the answer 0 itself. Here also we write ones, tens and hundred. 0 twos are 0 itself, 0 ones are 0 itself, 0 threes are 0 itself. So if you multiply any number with 0, you get the answer 0 itself. Understand? Next question. Here again ones digit, tens digit and hundred digit. 2 threes are 6. So we write 6 in ones place. 2 ones are 2. We write it in tens place. 2 twos are 4. We write it in hundred place. 213 into 2, answer is 426. Understand? You are getting, children, you have to learn all the multiplication table from 2 to 10 so that it will help you. Multiplication table help you to solve these questions very easily. Understand? Now move to the next question. Again here ones, tens, hundred. So 2 fours are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So we write in ones place. We write 8 in ones place. 2 ones are 2. We write 2 in tens place. 2 twos are 4. We write it in hundred place. So 214 into 2, the answer is 428. Next question. Again 324. Ones, tens, hundred. So 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Ones, tens, hundred. Okay? So if you multiply any number with ones, the answer will come in ones place. If you multiply any number with tens, the answer will come in tens place. And if you multiply any number with hundred place, the answer will come in 100 place. Okay, 324 into 2, the answer is 648. Next question. Again ones, tens, 100. So here 202 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 zeros are 0. 2 twos are 4 again. Okay. So again ones, tens, 100. So you know that if you multiply any number from 0, you get the 0 itself. Okay student, these all are the simple questions. Now we move to the multiplication with carrying. Okay. Now student, look here. Here I have taken 2-digit number to explain. Okay. So first of all, this is at ones place and this is at tens place. So firstly you know that you have to multiply it with ones place and then you move to the tens place. So let's do it. 3 nines are. Here I have written the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. We get the 3 nines are 27 means 2 tens and 7 ones. So ones will written in the place of ones means here, and these 2 tens will move to the tens place means 2 will go to the carry over. Okay, this 2 will go to the carry over. Okay, now I will move to the tens place, that is 3 into 3. Again I will read or recall the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. Now student, I get the 9 means 3 threes are 9. So 9 tens. And this 2 is in tens place. So 9 tens plus 2 tens. What is answer? 9 tens plus 2 tens? 11. So we write 11 here. Understand? Firstly, you have to multiply the ones place. If the answer will come in 2 digit, you write ones place digit in ones place and in another tens place digit in tens place. And then you have to multiply the number with tens digit, and then you have to add the number whatever will be the answer. After that only you write the answer here. Understand student? Now we will take some more questions. Now questions are here students. Now let's start solving. Okay. Firstly, this is at ones place and this is at tens place. So what you do? Firstly you multiply this number means 8 with 6. Then you move to the 4 because 4 is at tens place. So let's do it. 8 recall 8 table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. So we write 8 here and 4 will go to the tens place as our carryover. Okay, now 8 fours are 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. So we have to add this 4 to the 32. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. What will come here? 36. Means 46 into 8. The answer is 368. Okay. Next question. 56 into 7. 6 is at ones place and and 5 is at tens place. So 7 into 6. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42. So we write 2 here and 4 will go to the tens place as our carryover. Now 7 fives are, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So 35 plus 4, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So we write 39 here. 56 into 7, answer is 392. Understand, students? Next question, that is 19 into 8. So 9 is at ones place, 1 is at tens place. So 8 nines are, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72. So we write 2 here and 7 will be carry over. Now 8 ones are 8. 7 is carried over. So we have to add 7. So 8 ones are 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the answer here? 15 means 8 plus 7 is 15. 119 into 8, answer is 152. Now students, our next question is 64 into 2. 4 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place. So 2 fours are, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. We write 8 here. Then 2 sixes are, 2 ones are 2. Student, one thing here, you look here, no carryover is there. So no need to add anything. You just have to read or recall the table of 2, 4, 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12. So you write 12 here. 64 into 2, the answer is 128. Understand? Next one. 82 into 5. 2 is at ones place and 8 is at tens place. So 5 twos are, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 10 is 2-digit number. So 0 will come here and 1 will go to the carry over. Now 5 eights are. Let's read. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. So answer is 410. 82 into 5, answer is 410. Next question. Now students, here also 2 is at tens place and 8 is at 2 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place. So 4 twos are, again 8, 4 twos are 8, 4 eights are. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. Here also no carry is there, so no need to add anything. You just write 32 here. 82 into 4, answer is 328. Okay, and these two is your homework. You have to try at your home, and so many more questions are given in your book. in page number 100. Try to solve, students. Now students, look here. Multiplication of 3-digit number is given. As you know that 3-digit number is made up of ones, tens and 100. And in ones, firstly you have to multiply the ones place, then you move to the tens place, and then move to the 100 place. So let's do it. 6 6 are 36. So we write 6 here. 36 is a 2-digit number. 36 is a 2-digit number. So 6 will be written in ones place, and this 3 will move to the tens place as a carryover. So 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0, because you know that if you multiply any number from 0, the answer will be 0. So this 3 will come down. This 3 will come down. So we write 3 here. Instead of 0, we take this 3 here. Okay. Now 6 ones are 6. So if you multiply 106 to 6, you get the answer 636. Understand, students? Now next question. 223 into 3. This is also a 3-digit number made up of ones, tens and 100. So let's multiply first. Means ones place. 3 3s are 9. So we write 9 here. 3 2s are 6. So we write 6 here. 3 2s are again 6. So we write 6 here. Because here no carryover is taken, so we write the number by multiplying as usual. Understand? Next question. 204 into 2. So in this question, this is also at ones place, and 0 is at tens place, 2 is at 100 place. So 2 4s are 8. We write 8 here. Here 2 zeros are 0. Students, look, here no carryover is given, so we will not write anything here. We have to write 0 here, because 2 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4. 204 into 2, answer is 408. Okay. Next question. 208 into 4. So this is also 3-digit number. So ones, tens and 100. So firstly we have to multiply ones digit, then tens digit, and here 100 digit. So 4 8s are, so 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. So 32 is 2-digit number. So we write this 2 in ones place, and this 3 will move to the tens place as a carry over. Understand, students? Now 4 zeros are 0. So what we will write here? 0 or 3? We will write 3, because if any carry over is there, we will not write 0. We will write that carry over number. So we will write 3 here. 4 2s are 8. So 208 into 4, the answer is 832. Okay. Next question. 326 into 3. This is it at ones place, tens place, 100 place. So 3 6 are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. 18 is a 2-digit number, and this 8 is at ones place, so we write 8 here. and 1 will go to the tens place. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Because you know that we have to add the carryover number with the number came as our answer. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. We have written 7 here. 3 3s are 9. So 326 into 3, the answer is 978. Got it, children? Last question. 123 into 2. This is at 1's place, this is at 10's place, and this is at 100 place. So 123 into 2. 2 3s are 6. We write 6 in 1's place. 2 2s are 4. We write 4 in 10's place. 2 1s are 2. We write it in 100 place, because here no carryover is there, so we will write answer as a same. Now student, more questions are given in page number 102. So you have to practice at your home, and you get the PDF of your notes in next class. If you have any doubt, you just ask me. I will clear it in next video. Thank you.